Hello and welcome to this, our ninth lesson in the series. Here we're going to look at more SQL and ActiveRecord. So we can use question marks and symbols to insert SQL into our ActiveRecord queries. We use the question mark within SQL for an array of values to insert, and we use the symbol, for example, :username, to insert SQL, and this is a bit clearer for us to read. It is possible to lose track of the number of question marks, and you always need to have the same number in the right order, so that can be a bit awkward. So symbols are a bit easier to read and keep track of. So let's look at inserting SQL with question marks. So we've opened our console, and our first query is user.where age between question mark and question mark. So that we've assigned the two question marks to 45 and 60 respectively, and that has returned an array of our users from ages between 45 and 60. Also, we can use the pattern here, which is %m%. So this is a name with an M anywhere in the first name or the second name, the last name. So that's returned names like Mark, because that begins with M, but also Tom, because Tom ends with an M, and also Portman, which includes an M. So anything with an M in the name has been returned from that SQL query. Now this is safe from hackers, but it's a bit hard to keep track of. So we can use symbols. So again, we open our console and we use user.where age between :lowest and :highest. So this is a bit clearer. We've got lowest :45 and highest :60. And we can also repeat ourselves. So we can use user.where first name like :word or last name like :word. So word we assign to %m%, which was any name, which gives us a query of first name with any M anywhere in the name or M in the last name as well. So this is easier to keep track of, and we can use a repeated word or phrase for our queries. So, in summary, question marks or symbols are safe. They're safe for us to use, and we don't stand any fear of having SQL injection or hackers. But I think really symbols are easier to use and a bit clearer. So we can add our symbols to our SQL queries just to make it a bit easier to keep track of when we're doing our ActiveRecord SQL mix.